Did you know that platforms like Yelp, TripAdvisor, and Who's built multi-million-dollar businesses without manufacturing a single product? They're directory websites, platforms that connect businesses with customers, and they generate money while you sleep, scaling without proportional cost increases. Here's how you make money. Paid listings. Charge businesses a monthly fee to appear in your directory. Offer premium featured spots with added visibility. Run ads and sponsored placements. Sell leads to businesses when users inquire. Create SaaS subscriptions with extra tools like booking and analytics. But here's the real business value. For businesses, directory listings boost search engine rankings and local SEO. Verified profiles and reviews increase credibility and attract real customers. For users, directories save time by offering curated, trusted options in one place, and it creates a powerful flywheel. More listings attract more traffic. More traffic attracts more businesses willing to pay, ready to build a directory that generates recurring revenue and delivers real value to businesses.